Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off so electronics are safe and the tray mounts correctly. Once done, remove any case or adhesive so you can access the tray or removable back. Use the SIM tool or a straightened paperclip to depress the tray hole. Press gently and release. Make sure you know which SIM size you need, nano, micro, or standard, because using an adapter incorrectly can bend the card. Keep small parts on a flat surface to avoid loss. With the tray exposed, pull it straight out using steady pressure. Do not wiggle or tilt as that can bend the tray or damage contacts. Once out, lift the existing SIM free and set it aside, then position the new SIM matching the tray's notch and metal contacts facing down. Carefully slide the tray back into the slot until it is flush with the phone body. Make sure it seats evenly so the connectors meet. If resistance occurs, withdraw and realign rather than forcing the tray. Power the phone back on and watch for your carrier name, signal bars, or an activation prompt. Those confirm the SIM is recognized. If asked, enter the SIM PIN. If mobile data fails, check or update the APN/carrier settings and network options because mismatched APNs block internet. Once you have voice and data, make a short call or send a text to confirm functionality. If problems persist, reset the SIM. Try the SIM in another phone to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.